In this video, we are going to see the rank of a matrix. So we are going to find the matrix rank. So what are the things required here means, first we need to apply the row operations. Row operations is like swapping the rows or multiplying a row by another row, or additioning like adding or subtracting rows. This thing is simply nothing but simply converting it into the echelon form. Okay, we are converting into this form. Now after converting all those, now count non-zero rows. So here we are making, suppose we have matrix like this, right? We are converting hash marks as zeros. Okay, we are converting zeros like this. So this form is nothing but the echelon form. After converting, what are the non-zero rows there, right? That we will count. So that will consider as a rank. So when we go into the one problem, you will get the idea. Okay. Now find rank of A if the matrix is 1, 2, 2, 4. So apply the row operations. Row operations is nothing but when you observe the row 2 is equals to the 2 into the row 1, right? See, this is a row 1, this is a row 2. When you observe, row 2 is nothing but the 2 into the row 1. Now if the matrix is, this is a row 1, row 2, okay, R2, let us make the notations. Notation is nothing but making the row operations. Now let R2 equals to R2 minus 2R1. So R2 minus 2R1, 2R1 is 2 and 4, right? When we subtract R2 and 4 from R2, then we will get the zeros, right? Do so like 2 into R1, which is like 2 and 4. And what is the R2? R2 is 2 and 4. When you subtract, simply it will get cancelled, right? So write the things here. Now, is this really possible to convert into the zeros? No, right? So only one non-zero row is left. So how many non-zero rows are left here? It is a 1, right? So that's why our rank is 1. This is how the rank will be. Now let us move into the one another problem. A equals to, this is the matrix, A matrix. Now let us make the some row operations, like when you observe, so the R2 which is equals to R2 minus 2R1. So R2 is equals to the 2R1, right? So in order to convert the R2 as 0, we are making R2 equals to R2 minus 2R1. Okay, this will give us the zeros. Okay, like 2, 4, 2, 2R1 is nothing but same 2, 4, 2. When you subtract, we will get R2 as 0. Now let us go for the R3. R3 is like R3 minus 3R1. When you observe, so 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 3, 3. So we are performing the multiple of the row and subtracting from the R3. Then we are getting the row 3 as 0. Now keep the things here 1, 2, 1 same as it is as in the M matrix. After changing the things, R2 and R3, like row 2 and row 3 will completely becoming 0. So now only one non-zero row is left, right? So that's why our rank is 1. This is how the rank will be. I hope you got the idea on this. If you learned 10 things video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.